Hi there, I'm Blooming Morin. My friends and fans call me Blooming My Money Coach. Welcome to another episode of Investing with Blooming, where I answer your money questions in 1 or 2 minutes. In my last video, I shared with you the importance of budgeting and how budgeting is one of the main pillars for building wealth. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you another simple tool that even makes budgeting way much easier. And what is that? That is the cash binder. You might be like, what the heck is the cash binder? I'm going to explain, okay? So, let me just refresh your memory. In my last video, I told you that a budget tells your money what to do instead of wondering where your money went, okay? And I did explain to you that one of the things that I usually do anytime I get an income or a source of income comes in, before I even spend the income, one of the things that I always do is to put it on an Excel sheet, and the income I allocate it into different categories. And what do I mean by that? For example, let's say you earn $1,000. You put in $1,000. Then that $1,000, you're going to allocate it into maybe $200 for food, $50 for transportation, $250 for the kids, $150 for investing. You're going to allocate all of the income that came in into an expense category, okay? And once you do that, one of the things that is going to enforce what you already put in into the Excel sheet is the cash binder. And how do you use this? Okay, so this is how this looks. So what is a cash binder? A cash binder is a simple and effective tool that helps you track your spending, okay? And I'm going to explain. So let's say, for example, you've already allocated this on the Excel sheet. What I usually do is any money that I'm going to be spending, let me say I'm going for grocery shopping, I want to buy something for baby, I want to buy some clothes for myself, different categories like that. What I usually do, I withdraw the cash and I put it into different categories. So this is how it looks. So again, the first section that I have is this one. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to explain what I use the sticky note for. So I have one baby food. I have another one just baby, and this is for like maybe supplies, Vaseline, diaper, wipes, all of those fun stuff. And why do I even have this? Usually once an income comes in, I allocate, okay, this is what I'm going to be spending on this category, and this is exactly what I'm going to be buying, okay? So I put it on a sticky note so that I don't forget. Again, you have to have a plan for your money, or else you're going to wonder where the money went, okay? So again, baby food, baby, then I have one for food, personal supplies, hair and beauty, kitchen, laundry. This is just blank. This is for, usually I use this for gas, okay, until I own my own Tesla, okay? But until then, this is the cash for gas. Then for giving, then I also have a category for tithe, offering, seeds. Then I have pocket money. You can put this in different categories that you want, maybe dates and restaurant, any category. You don't have to follow this. This is a system that just works for me, okay? Again, I do this to make sure that at the end of the month, I know where my money is going. I know what category I'm spending too much money. Why is this very, very important? Number one, the cash binder used together with a budget, it literally gives you clarity in the sense that you don't panic about maybe something just came up. You don't panic because you've already organized yourself. Majority of times people go to the grocery store, they just say, okay, I can just use my credit card and I can pay it off at the end of the month. Usually when you go to the grocery store and you go with your card, you tend to spend more. But when you go with cash, I bet you're gonna think about what you're putting in your shopping cart. It's so important. It's very simple. It's often overlooked, but I'm telling you, oftentimes people think that building wealth, you have to have a lot of money to start investing. No, it starts with the little things like this. The better you plan your money, the more money you can allocate towards investing. For investing, you need to be intentional. Intentionality matters, meaning that you just don't wake up one day and say, oh, I just want to invest. No. How much are you investing? How much are you going to be investing consistently? Because if you can manage overspending in different categories, it can be shopping. Because sometimes you can just go to the grocery or go to a shopping mall, and all of a sudden you're spending 100, 200, 250, 300, $400 on something that you did not plan for. And you tell yourself this thing, I'm going to pay it off at the end of the month. That is not wise. I'm telling you. So again, if you just use this, again, you use the Excel sheet to start budgeting, then you use the cash binder to enforce what you've already, tabled out on the Excel sheet. It's going to make your life so much easier. It makes sure that you don't overspend in a particular category. And even once you exhaust the cash in a particular category for that week or for that month, that's it until another source of income comes in. This really help if you want to build wealth over time. Okay, oftentimes I get questions that, oh, I want to get started with investing, but I'm not sure how to get started, or I'm in a lot of debt and I just don't know how to get started. I have so much credit card, student loan. What I usually tell my client is that just go on my website, book a session, go on bloomingmorin.com, or you can go on bloomingmymoneycoach.com. Book a session. I have free 30-minute session that you can get started with. And if you want one-on-one coaching, obviously you can also book a session on my website. And if you have any question, you know what to do. Let me know in the comment section. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next class. Until then, I'm Blooming Morin, your money coach. Bye bye.